What's up, guys? I'm about to show you how I transformed my finances by putting God at the center of my budget. Crazy, right? Like, budgeting doesn't have to be overwhelming or feel separate from your faith. In fact, when you align your money management with biblical principles, you'll find a peace that goes beyond just numbers in a spreadsheet. Alright, you guys, the first step in our Christian budgeting journey is to pray and reflect on your financial goals. Take a moment to ask God for guidance and wisdom as you steward the resources He's given you. Next up, we're going to list out all your monthly income sources. This is super important, guys. Include your salary, any side hustles, passive income, every dollar that flows into your life. Once you've got all that down, total it up. This number is the foundation of your entire budget. Now, here's where it gets interesting. As Christians, we're called to be good stewards of what God has given us. Okay, now that we've got our foundation set, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of creating your kingdom budget. Go through your bank statements and receipts from the last month or two. Categorize every expense, and I mean every single one. Now, this is where the real transformation happens. You're going to create your budget by allocating money to each category. The key here is to make sure your spending aligns with your values and priorities as a Christian. It might take some adjusting, and that's okay. Your budget is a living document that you'll refine over time. Alright, you guys, that's our step-by-step guide to Christian budgeting. Remember, the key is to keep God at the center of your financial decisions and to review your budget regularly. Stay consistent, trust in God's provision, and you'll find that budgeting His way really does lead to peace and confidence. Don't forget to grab my free Kingdom Budget template. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.